Hello everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I'm going to be talking about the Snowball Debt Relief Method. So what you're going to need for this, I'm going to be using my traveler size Archer and Olive journal. I have my T-square or ruler, I have a calculator for when I start crunching those numbers, and I have some pens. Also, on the blog post, there is a printable for you that I have made that you can kind of lay this out for yourself before moving into your journal. And I do want to talk about the printable really quick. So on this printable that's found on the Archer and Olive website, we have several columns. There is payment bill debt, starting balance, percentage, minimum payment, rolled funds, new payment, and date paid off. And I want to talk about the Snowball Method versus Avalanche. There's two different methods, and there's many others out there, but there's two different methods that are somewhat similar, and I do want to explain the difference for both. So let's say this is the month you have decided you're not going to eat out anymore, and you're not going to get Starbucks coffee before work. You're going to make your own coffee at home. Or maybe you just recently got a promotion, and you're using this as your opportunity to pay off some of your debt and get control and just really get in there so you can start saving. We're going to say it's $200 extra a month. So this is our extra money. And then we have multiple bills that we've got kind of had laying around that we've been paying the minimum payment on, and we're ready to get rid of them and we're ready to move on with our lives. So we have a medical bill that we owe $500 on that's a 0% interest. The minimum payment is $75 per month. We have a loan that's $6,000 a month, 10% interest, we owe $150 on. We have a credit card that we owe $8,000 on. It's 18% interest and our minimum payment is $100 a month. And we have a car payment that's $15,000 is what we owe, not a month. Oh my goodness. We owe 5% and the minimum payment is $250 a month. So these are our bills. So with the Avalanche method, you're going to go by the highest percentage to the lowest percentage. So Avalanche, you would pay your credit card, you would pay your loan, car payment, and then medical bill. So with your extra $200, you would start chipping away at this higher percentage quicker with the $200 a month, making it $300 a month. However, with the Snowball Method, which is what I like and I prefer, is you go a different route. So with the Snowball Method, we're going to pay our lowest balance first. So it's going to be our medical, it's a $500 balance, our loan, a $6,000 balance, our credit card, $8,000 balance, and then our car payment, a $15,000 balance. And this is what I love about the Snowball Method. So we have our extra $200 and we owe $500 on our medical bill. So we're going to take this $200 and we're going to roll it into that. So now we're going to be paying $275 a month on our medical bill. In 2 months, our medical bill is paid off. We don't have to worry about it anymore. Now we have $275 that we were paying on our medical bill that we're used to paying because we've been paying that amount of money. So it doesn't change our finances at all. We're going to then roll it into the $150 payment on our loan. So then we're going to be paying even more on this loan that's $6,000. So now monthly on this loan, we are paying $425 a month on this $6,000 loan. So if you think about it, you're going to be getting this loan paid off in a little over a year. And then you'll be able to put that $425 that you were paying on this plus $100, and then you're going to be paying $525 on your credit card a month. It's going to take time, and this isn't something that's instantaneous, but you have those wins. You have that gratification that you've paid something off and that you don't have to worry about it anymore. So kind of how that's going to look on our spreadsheet here. So our first one is our medical bill. And we're going to pay, our starting balance is $500. The percentage is 0. The minimum payment is $75 per month. The rolled funds is $200 a month, so our new payment is $275. And that's what this is going to help you get to so that you can pay it off. And then you'll be able to roll that $275 to your next one, and then so on and so forth until you have paid off your debts and you are able to spend that money in a different way. You can go on vacations, or you can put it into a savings account, or my personal favorite, buy more Archer and Olive journals. So I'm just gonna get right into making my journal spread. I'm just gonna write Snowball debt at the top, and I'm going to kind of delineate the spaces just like the printable is, so that we can kind of track our successes and track where we're going with this. Now, this is not my idea by any means. The person who coined this is Dave Ramsey. He is a personal finance expert, and I really do appreciate the simplicity of this method. I think that anybody can do it, and even if you're unable right now to make the snowball method work for you. Maybe you're at your max and your credit cards are right there. You can't do anything else about this right now. Keep making your minimum payments. As soon as one is paid off, roll that extra money into your next payment and just start somewhere. So I am by no means a financial expert, but this has helped me, and I have paid off at least 3 credit cards using this method. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. If anybody has any ideas on how to incorporate anything else to help with financial health, please put it down in the description below. I love new ideas on how to make my money work for me. I used to do couponing, and that is a lot of work, but it can also be high reward. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. If you recreate this spread, please use the hashtag Archer and Olive Community. I would love to see you on your journey, and I would love to help you save money. I really hope you guys enjoy this and have a wonderful day. Bye.